Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sendlane to Shopify for automated email personalization, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard, click on the Apps section. In the App Store, search for Sendlane. Select the Sendlane app from the search results. Click the Add App button to install it. Follow the prompts to authorize Sendlane to connect with your Shopify store. Next, log in to your Sendlane account. If you don't have a Sendlane account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations tab from the main menu. Select Shopify from the list of available integrations. You will see a setup guide outlining the connection process. Follow the instructions to connect your Shopify store with Sendlane. You may need to enter your Shopify store URL and authorize the integration. Once your store is connected, go to the Automations section in Sendlane. Create a new automation by clicking on the Create New Automation button. Choose a pre-built template or start from scratch. Configure the workflow to suit your email marketing needs. Set triggers based on customer actions, such as purchases or signups. Personalize your email content using dynamic tags like customer names and previous purchases. Preview your email to ensure everything looks good. Save your automation once you are satisfied. Test the automation by completing a desired action in your Shopify store. Check your Sendlane account to ensure the email is being sent correctly. Adjust any settings as needed based on the test results. Your Shopify store is now seamlessly integrated with Sendlane for automated email personalization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.